Today, classes of managerial accounting or management accounting, both are same. Different anchor at different site are called different name. Some institution called managerial accounting, some institution called management accounting. For decision making, both are same. No problem here. You know that our exam style and our syllabus 15 market weekly quiz, 10 marks assignment for attendance, midterm 15 marks, and final exam 40 marks. This is the total 100 mark. Okay. You know your grading system, so I am not interested to detail explain about grade or mark distribute according to you.
চক্রান্ত বুঝছো এই করিডোর ইস্যু
Question bank, some important question are available here. This is my actual lecture plan. I think managerial accounting, there are three main important terms or point: professional ethics, governance, and decision making. This is the core point of management accounting. Total management accounting depend of this point. So we can call this is the important and basic pillar of management accounting. Professional ethics, management accounting on site, a details elaborate or detailed thesis or detail ensure to build up the ethics. That's been professional ethics, how we can develop our ethics. It is another side, and other side is a governance. Definitely there are some rules and regulations that follow a specific rules, regulation, procedure, system like this. So ultimately, professional ethics and governance, their impact decision making. Professional ethics and governance are influence to take a sound decision. Without a professional ethics, without a governance, it is impossible to take a good decision to anything. Okay. However, this managerial accounting is about empowering managers, empowering the manager with information to make smarter, faster, and more effective business decisions. They build up, they offer a manager to take a good decision with smart or faster or time dimensional way. Okay. So a decision point is the most important in managerial accounting for a manager. The definition are highlighted below the diagram. Decision making is the heart of management accounting. Heart of management accounting. Compare with the heart of a human being's decision making. It equips manager with the data, insight, and analytical tools needed to make strategic and operational decisions that improve efficiency, profitability, and long-term success. Long-term success means that the credibility. Increase the credibility by long-term success. So there are core important issues or point: managerial accounting, professional ethics, governance, and decision making. But out of these 3 points, decision making are compared with the heart of a human being. Okay, so it is the most important. Okay, this is the managerial accounting concept or area of managerial accounting. I try to discuss very shortly by a diagram, a very simple way, I think. Okay. A simple definition of management accounting or managerial accounting. Management accounting is the process of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting financial and non-financial information. It is very important. Financial and non-financial information, both angle or both sides are highlighted by a managerial accounting to assist management in decision making, planning, and control. To assist a manager to take a sound decision, to make a good planning, and to prepare control. Okay. And another, unlike financial accounting, which focus on the historical data for external reporting, there is another important issue. Financial accounting, they try to focus on past event, past data. That's mean historical data for external reporting. Management accounting forward looking and help guide business strategy and operation, and most commonly to the internal parties, okay, like managers, like internal stakeholder of a organization. This is the managerial accounting, very simple definition. And now I am going to clear about the financial accounting, managerial accounting, and cost accounting. This is the last slot or last slide, last part. Is the cost accounting, cost purpose, production purpose, manufacturing purpose. They try to gathering data, recording data, summarizing data, analyzing data, like this. Manufacturing or production related. Okay. And this managerial accounting, they serve as managerial purpose to take a good decision and highlights their future related data. And first part, financial accounting, here also include or mention recording, summarizing, analyzing, and reporting financial information of business to the external environment or external parties. Okay. Whereas managerial accounting must be internal party and to build up the managers to take a good decision. So a decision many times come in management accounting. So ultimately we can call decision making is the key note or key take or key point of management accounting. Do you agree or not? Explain it briefly. This is a very important and common questions. Okay. However, now I discussing about the distinctive difference or similarities or dissimilarities among financial accounting, managerial accounting, and cost accounting. Okay, managerial accounting, they deals with both present and future cost or managerial aspect, but cost accounting only deals with cost purpose or present base. So here are distinctive difference between cost accounting and managerial accounting. Side by side, we can compare by financial accounting. Financial accounting, they serve with the past event, the past record, then try to current balance. This is the main criteria of financial accounting. So ultimately, we here try to discuss the three types of accounting, number one, financial accounting, number two, managerial accounting, and number three, cost accounting. This is the definition or code words, similarities and dissimilarities as some point are mentioned by the diagram. Okay, this is the concept of financial accounting. This is the concept of managerial accounting. This is the concept of cost accounting. Okay. Okay, now I am going to focus another important point. This is the first Institute of Managerial Accounting, IMP, institution, Institute of Managerial Accounting. You know that in a managerial accounting, there have a respective institution to serve or build up or develop managerial accounting. So, before I try to say, managerial accounting deals with professional ethics. Professional ethics are possible when there are a distinctive institution, because in institution they try to build up governance and professional ethics. So managerial accounting is accounting has a specific institution. By the institution, they try to build up focusing accounting related, especially management accounting related anything. Okay. You know that financial purpose and cost purpose, cost accounting purpose, financial accounting purpose, there are a distinctive institution separate, chartered accountant of Bangladesh, a chartered accountant, and cost and management chartered accountant. Okay, distinctive institution there are. Similarly, in management accounting, have a specific institution, IMP, Institute of Management Accounting, but it is thorough matter that in our country, like this institution are not developed or available. Actually, these institutions internationally are situated in USA. Okay. However, the institution there are for a basic part, they offer special or important guideline rules to build up the management accounting. So there are focusing point are four. Number one, certified management accounting CMA, certified public accounting CPA, SMA strategy management accounting, and ethical professional practice. This institution focusing the 4 point. At first part, they deal with financial planning, performance, and control. Here are deals, planning, budgeting, and forecasting, performance, measurement, cost management, and internal control. This purpose they try to deal. Okay. And CMA, another angle, they try to focus financial decision making. Here they try to deal financial statement analysis and take decision, corporate finance and financing, and then take decision analysis and risk management. Decision analysis and risk management, they guided. At last, investment decision. This is the part two, certified management accounting. Another, certified public accountant. In this point, they try to focus by this point rules-based compliance, assurance standard, financial accounting standard. Standard means rules and regulation policy like this. Business law, tax code like this. The compliance, they try to deals with compliance. Okay. CPA and CSMA, they try to deals clearing the challenge, identifying the solution, developing a proposed solution, planning for implementation. They try to deal with this purpose. Another, ethical professional practice. In ethical professional practice, they highlight principles and standards. They try to build up principles and standards. 2 point, help to develop the ethical professional or impact on ethical professional. At first, honesty. Honesty have to be work and word, same parallel. What to do you say, what to do you work, same parallel. No distort, no chance to destroy. Okay. You, your activities, your commitment must be same. This is the honesty, and this purpose deals in managerial accounting under principles. Fairness. You have to prepare a report, no favoritism. You just neutral position. You have to make yourself at neutral position, and then you try to any report making, report preparing. So you will then you obtain your position as fairness. This position are guided by management accounting. Objectivity. Objective is another important point of manager of a management. Okay. Without objective, without any success. Responsibility. In a manager accounting, they have chance to quick response, and there are a lot of thinking, lot of decision. It is just in time. Okay, so it is very responsible subject. Standard in management accounting, there are some specific standard. Under the standard compliance, there are some rules and regulations that has to follow to operate the managerial accounting. Confidentiality. In management accounting guided about the confidentiality, there no need to disclose any important issues without authority permission. Okay, that is point guided by management accounting after completing the management accounting. Integrity, it is another important thing. You have to show your commitment with your own justify. Okay, and credibility. Credibility is a continuously shows relevance and continuously try to improve. Then you will to be very popular or very credibility to others. These points are guided by management accounting by tools and technique of management accounting purpose. So this is the 5 parts of managerial accounting under 4 segment of managerial accounting. Okay, so you know the managerial accounting is so much important. There are a specific or restrictive institution by the institution that try to build up or try to guide it you to proceed or to progress the managerial accounting. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Another questions. Why does managerial accounting matter to your career? Managerial accounting and it's important to your career. Managerial accounting, they focus on planning, controlling, and decision making. So these 3 points are very burning issues to a employee or to a human career. So this accounting impact on career after completing. At first, planning about marketing. A manager draw a diagram or prepare a plan about the marketing. What point they try to start budgeting for TV, advertising, TV show, serial show, like this, they try to set a budget. Print and internet advertising, plan to hire to serve a new territory, a new place, a new area, how we can serve. That purpose, a manager take a plan. Another point, supplies and management. What plan are taken by management according to supply chain management? Plan to produce to next product. This product we are capable to produce such type of product. Next time, how better way, how quantity we can take a decision. This is the supply point of view. And human resource view, management accounting plan, conceptual safety training, sometime arrangement or design the training, accommodation or training facilities. This is the under human resource management of for a manager. Another point, controlling. How he control about the marketing by preparing budget, price cut, or price increase, distributor channel increase like this. Supply chain management purpose, it try to control by reducing the number of defective units or produce. They try to minimize the cost at minimum, minimize the wastage. To minimize wastage and cost, it is a controlling system. And human resource management purpose, how a control a manager, meeting of completing timely performance and appraisal. Another decision making about a marketing purpose, sales service and product bundles or separately, sales directly to customer or user distributor. The marketing based control decision making and supply chain management purpose decision making by a manager by redesigning manufacturing process to lower or higher inventory level. Okay. And at last, by hiring a temporary worker or full-time employee, thus decision take a decision about a human resource management. So burning issues or burning questions or burning site, a management accounting deals. So management accounting may matter to your career.